Welcome students. I am Dr. Kalpit Ganesh Matre, Assistant Professor in Botany at Arts, Commerce and Science College, Lanza, District Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Today, in this presentation, I will speak about monoclimax theory. In my previous lecture, I spoke about polyclimax theory. These are the theories of ecological succession. And today I will discuss the details about monoclimax theory. So let's continue with today's presentation, monoclimax theory. This theory or monoclimax theory was proposed by an American plant ecologist, Frederick Clement, in 1916. So this is the theory which has been put forward or proposed by Frederick Clement, who was a American plant ecologist, and he proposed this monoclimax theory in the year 1916. And according to this theory, there is only one true climax community in a climatic region or geographical area. So, as per the monoclimax theory, there is only one climax community, and that community is regarded as true climax community, and that community will be present in a particular climatic region, or it is also known as geographical area. So according to Frederick Clement, any type of climatic region or geographical area will show presence of only one climax community, and that climax community is referred as true climax community. So, in my previous videos, we have seen several communities such as hydrosphere and xerosphere, and in those topics, we have also seen subcommittees of hydrosphere or subcommunities of hydrosphere and subcommunities of xerosphere. Like, for example, if xerosphere is there, then the first stage is called as pioneer stage. Then second, third, fourth, fifth and final community stage is called as climax forest. But in this monoclimax theory, according to Frederick Clement, there is only one true climax community in a climatic region or geographical area. All other communities which I spoke just now, pioneer stage, second, third, fourth, fifth, or herb stage, lichen stage, shrub stage. So all such other communities which are found in a given region, if allowed sufficient time, this community would ultimately convert to a single climax community. So, according to Frederick Clement, there is only one true climax community, and all other communities living in a particular climatic region or geographical area, if allowed sufficient time, then those communities would definitely convert to a single climax community. The whole landscape would be clothed with uniform plant and animal community. If we give proper time, or if we allowed sufficient time for other communities in the climatic region, then subsequently there would be a uniform plant and animal community. So this is called as monoclimax theory. Main community is climax and other communities are called as subclimax communities. So according to Clement, the true climax forest is considered as main community and all other communities are regarded as subclimax communities, because Whenever in a particular climatic region or geographical region, a true climax forest is observed. At the same time, there is subsequent growth and development of different stages of share communities is also found. So, according to Frederick Clement, all other communities other than true climax communities are considered as subclimax communities. And according to this monoclimax theory, there is only one community. That community is considered as true climax community. So this is all about monoclimax theory. Thanks a lot for watching this video.